session, we are going to be making this cute little butterfly puppet. In order to make this craft, we're going to be needing a paper roll, a chenille stem of whatever color you choose, piece of paper that can go around the roll, again whatever color you choose, or you can use white paper that you color yourself, or gift paper, a piece of paper for the wings, and I'm just using white cardstock. Again, you can use anything that's available to you, and some carbon paper to trace our butterfly wing. We're going to need a pair of eyes, some decorations for our wings. Again, you can also color the wings if you choose. Now the carbon paper, the chenille stem, the eyes and the decorations are all in our handy dandy craft box. You're also going to be needing glue, a paper clip, a ruler, some clear tape, a black marker, pencil and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. We're going to start by cutting our paper to ensure that it can go around the roll. Okay, now I have found that 6 inches by 7 inches is a good size to go around most pieces, most rolls that you have. So I'm going to measure 6 inches on this side. Okay, and I'm going to measure 7 inches on this side. And now I'm going to cut that piece of paper. Okay, now we're going to cover our roll. We're going to start by placing glue on one side of our roll. There we go. Okay. Place our roll and start rolling the paper. We're going to roll this paper right around till we get to the other end, and then we're going to apply glue there. Okay. Want it to be as tight as possible. Okay. And then we're going to tuck both sides in, and that's going to secure the paper onto the roll even more. And there we have our papered roll. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to put the eyes and the mouth onto this paper roll. I'm going to put some glue where I think the eyes should be, and then I'm going to apply my eyes, and I'm doing this now so I'll give it a little opportunity to dry while I work on the wings. And of course, you all know we're going to put a very happy, smiley butterfly. Okay, so we're going to leave that aside so that the eyes can dry, and we're going to work on our wings. Now we're going to find our wings at the back, wing template at the back of the book. If you don't have the book, you can use any butterfly template. We are going to use this large template here in the book. We're going to take our carbon paper. There's a dull side, there's a shiny side. We're going to put the shiny side down so the dull side is up onto the paper we're tracing on, and we're going to put this into the back of our template like so. Okay, now we're going to take our pencil and we're going to trace the butterfly. And there we go. We have our butterfly already traced, and now we can cut the butterfly. And there we have our wing. Okay, we're going to put some glue along the middle part of our wing stem, I am going to close my glue. And we're going to place our butterfly body onto that. Okay. Now, two things we need to do would be to apply the antennae and of course decorate our wings. Let's see what decorations we have here. I'm just going to apply a couple decorations just as an example, so you can see. I'm sure you'll come up with something more fancy than this, but I'm just putting a couple of these things on here. Okay, I'm just putting a couple of them on there. So now that I know where I'm going to place my decorations, I'm going to put some glue on that spot, and then I'm going to put my decoration. And we have decorated our wing, and all we need to do is to make our antennae. Let me show you how to do that. You're going to bend your chenille stem into two pieces like so. Okay. You're going to have two pieces like so. And now we're going to take our pencil or pen, and we're just going to curl the top. Okay. We're just going to curl the top. Just bend it around the pencil, and you get a nice curlicue effect like that. Now we're going to take a piece of clear tape, or you can use masking tape or whatever you have, because it's not going to show up. And we're going to apply that to our antennae. And now we're going to put that into the body of the puppet. And there we have our adorable butterfly puppet. Here is another sample of one that was done with a different color paper, just so you can get some ideas of different things you can do to make your butterfly puppet.